Viewers, I welcome you to Xposed GH. Xposed GH, we say no Ghana and beyond. Ebusian for baby, I will be I only a bema limo. Elikem Kwame Amega, me say baby, I will be me chiao. I ha a Xposed GH. For notification button near the at all. Let's share na afofo so near the NTV. And sembe na abeto yap no so. And sema abachire say, Xposed stadium and a yache 200 illegal miners. Now, ya saw online Xposed stadium. Both foreign and local illegal miners. Ewo kromwa police for bobbing and asra for bobbing. Ama yetuma den yako so omumu. Na yako chiom na edi omunam illegal miners. Now we na yepesi yebisa se ohwe video ni na etwe go no kire se womu ni na over these 200 people ni na illegal miners omo online we mu ya investigation na omo terror investigation etima ko den akoso omumu we be se obi akoye skate na ye den e dey so omumu omo ni na we na me pese me bisa se inkofo ya omo ye illegal mining. As you are seeing these people, nkofo ahwo mu omo manpower and omo use inti nkofo we omo no mo kita excavators na ana eyomo ena wo sa equipment ana akade na yedi to efom agudie na enye emrakwan so na because illegal miners ni bebre na obekọ no excavators omo wo bi equipment shamfani anyoma ye kita yedi to illegal mine wo ma we mu no. These people have some. Now we can they afford that amount of excavator na yedi to illegal mining no? Iti ye chiomu, what is the way forward? And na ye chiomu magana fo aba behwe. Say oh illegal miners ni ya chiomu. Na yesu ye ba na ye comment on social media. Na ye kan oh sabi oh mo ya de e fe se mo abom mo modern na mo achi nkofo we na within 1 month time ye nti wan sem biom no wan sa go back to whatever they are doing ana. Because ye jidi say empenifo bi etai sade wechi ti san kofo no muta eche no say ya man penifo say ya big businessmen o ye nye thorough investigation with these people na ye tutu o manu no mu chire penifo a eboa tumi to sa excavators no penifo etai eche o mu no mu ye sa business ni etumi so san kofo ni because they bia ya chi illegal man they bia chi illegal man so yetimi chioma opanyi bi wo mawe mu isu panyifo na akire se so a ye kire se nkofo so kire se panyifo so na ta illegal mining so ye dem echi kokofo amu ye omno me man power job no omno be wu ase akotutu ania ne nyoma ti say no omomo ti wo mu na eso mu odi omo only excavators no. If thorough investigation will be done it should be well done. This over 200 illegal foreigners and local miners that has been arrested. There is more that we need to know about this. There have to be thorough investigation and they have to be interrogated to know that who is really behind that excavators that they have been using to do this mining. Yes, these people, they don't look rich to be owning excavators and chamfers and other equipment that they use to do this illegal mining. So what is the way forward with the police or the or the soldiers? As much as they have been able to arrest these people, it is well good. We are not lying about it. But they shouldn't do this for Ghanaians to see it and later feel like, oh, the police and the soldiers are doing their best. And after a few days, as we have seen on the TV, we will forget about it because there will be another trending issues. People will not concentrate on the illegal mining. They will be concentrating on the another trending issues that is going on. But behind the door or at the back door, the police and the CID needs to do thorough investigation about what is going on to help identify or discover officials, the big men, the ministers, the politicians, those chiefs that have been accused or allegedly accused that they are behind this illegal mining. They allow these people to do this illegal mining. These politicians, because we have politicians who comes out and come and brag about how they own goals and all those stuffs. These people will be arrested. If the foreigners will be deported to their country, we don't know. If the local miners will face the prosecution of the constitution of this country, we don't know. But if you are looking at this video, these people They are the people, the big men or the people behind this illegal mining have just employed. As much as we have arrested Aisha One, they are chinekeke. Ya chinekeke. Because onupo de illegal mining put them my chino, say see anu. Any fear na ako chuku ni say, a day or renting man and send a deporting or threatening say, ne die soon to obey dying. No, I said to him, and now Jini Sika. It was no any illegal mining us. Sabi amaya chino a different thing altogether. It is any too much as I want. And my enja kwasa na ne kamchima na nkofo e kan ho akọ prisoner ana embassy prison akọ court dem akọ fentino yalo Ghana for and die. We will still want to know more about this issue. Simply for teachua yem boane nkofo enfie chire because Aisha One whoever is in this case all toto Aisha One no yem tutu na no court dem na wotumi chire say business we me be mu ache asimesi e ka won ye de illegal mining e wo mine Ghana na yetim no. Aisha One's issue is a very different issue we have to talk about because she was not arrested because of illegal mining. The room that she was renting, that she was living in before she was deported, the rent was not overdue. So she has come back to tell the landlord that she needs the money back. The rest of the money that she wasn't able to occupy the room, she needs that money back. So that was the reason why, because she was threatening the landlord or the landlady, that is the reason why the landlord decided that, okay, as much as it is, no, you cry, you have been deported, so let me go and report you to the police. But as much as Aisha One is trying to deceive Ghanaians and telling those his colleagues that were arrested with her, that she should try and pretend that she has fainted at the law court, we shouldn't look at these issues and sit down just like that. There must be much investigation and thorough interrogation with Aisha One to help us find out, because she is a big tackle woman who is in this illegal mining and businesses in this country. She knows people. So this woman needs to be investigated. People have, I was saying, they need to talk with her and communicate with her and try to find how she will help to find those people who owns the other people who are like her in this country. Because the people who have been arrested are just mere employees or workers for this illegal mining. Since they are mere workers and they are foreigners and and local ones, there is surely local people too who are masters like Aisha One. They are doing this business with her. So she should be helped. If she doesn't want to face prosecution or whatever it is, no, she should let her fish out all those people. No matter who they are, they can be all big time politicians. Because we live in this country and we have some ministers or some people in party chairmen, party members who comes to tell Ghanaians that they own goals, they have money, but they are part of this illegal money allegedly. So Aisha One, whatever it is, if she has become the victim or the scapegoat, let's use the scapegoat to fish out those monsters or those masters who are behind this illegal mining. Thorough investigation must be done. It is not because they have media houses have gone to view these illegal miners that will give them views for people to come and follow their TV station or listen to their news. Then after a few days, we'll just forget about it and be listening to other trending issues. That is not the best option for Ghanaians. We want thorough investigations. We want to fish out and kick out these galamsey things. Because these foreigners knows that Aisha One was deported and came back. These foreigners, there's no better digitization that Baumia said he has given Ghanaians. That when they go and they are coming back, something will help us find out that this person is a foreigner and is trying to enter into this country again. They will still come back. When a thief or a gang of thieves is doing operation, they surely have a master. When you just arrest the small boys of the gang, the master is still there. When you arrest those people and you think you have coined those gangsters, the gangsters master will still bring up or train another robbers to come and rob the society again. This is how the illegal mining is going. We keep on arresting the normal employees and workers who have nothing to boast of and leave the masters. So the masters will wait for some while, 6 months or 7 months later, and they'll still go and employ other people who are angry, who are hungry and angry in the country. And they'll go and do this illegal mining again. Yebenya nkofo a Okomo di omo because oman na etimu no sika enim. Iti ebenya nkofo a ekine bi. Oman ni sika enim ti onipa no okita excavators na ya chichi nkofo ya kogu mu no. Ana ya chichi omo ni ya deport ebi mu no. Obe make sure so obe sa pen nkofo foforo a okomo di omo. So all day in and day out no epenifo ta eche nim say see ye ma youth ni employment they can do dirty jobs for us to get money. That is what is going on in the country. So the police or whoever is in possession of helping to kick out this galamsey must do thorough investigation and much investigation about these issues, so that we can get it out once and for all, or use one of the local businessmen behind this illegal mining. Then they will get them in prison and face the law of the country, so that it will be a lesson to the other ones, so that they will not be able to sit down and say, oh, since we have the excavator and we have the money, we'll just do whatever we want. Say ya boapa ni yeri ya ho ni etumi boa ni echi sankofo we ya ya boa ni echi mpanyifo no mutai sa illegal mining ya ebe boa ye ama ya keke illegal mining no ya de obi scapegoat no gina law court ni e money years no ko hyemu a onu abehu se na yete na omo a afoforo na mutai echi na omo big man no no mo jai sankwase anyoma na omo ye no ebusiafo na me catch us say du me kwa so ya say enye obi ase ni truth say enkofo obi ama ne beba o chin so ye den e ma omo na ma na egu ase o na me say ato aso bio video bi twetwie me pese e kofe video no na ohwe video no na rolling no. This is western region baby atini o say illegal mining no ye yes ama ye to gold no e won kofo afie it will be tifie no ni dan yechi ye illegal man ye tu amena. As you are seeing this video, this is what is going on in the western part of this country, western region, another region. And now the illegal mining or the gold mining is not being mined in the village farms. So now look at the places sites. Look at the places they are mining. The illegal mining is now going on in people's home, where you wake up in the morning, that you sweep that place at the backyard of people's houses. They are digging holes to look for money, for gold. People are hungry and people are sitting there, and this is going on in this country. When in our air cost, on my way, but with the help of 10 and way cost, I hope say there should be fair and to what bet they say and penifon cop the unconscious animal. They see a two gold, a two uncle for fee. Good na etu and na won ye tu onkofo fie che se emana tia pansan e wo mu se eto baby a people are hungry, people don't have the food that they will eat, but we don't obi na kan say sika enye boni o na dwempo ene tumupo ebe wo tirima odi be sika no ene man ye boni. Money is not evil. Money can never be the root of all evil, as we all know. It is the mindset that you use to look for money that will make that money you are looking for be evil. That is what I want to tell you. Ebusiafo na video na ye chi illegal miners yi ewo kia di o masanso no ena obi ma comment. Me dey sende unimia me dey nili mo elikem kwa me amega me ya kwache na me really comment no me toguso ba o so e na wa be so ma hwe o she ma kwan so ma hwe. But you be maybe your friend is Obama poko ase me read the comment, but where the me ankasa na me reply no na tama ye illegal miners no we to me nya comment bi ama say be maybe na wo togu su kakra obi be ka se apache e no ma comment a wo kire say eh so apache all day inside, and I me reply na me try to say kwasi yakwa apache no be human being. You be stupid, pa. It's your MPP government that has forced the disabled to even work. We are poor. Because on my way, I suffer. I will say nipa na no ya apache. But the system na on my way mu create platform for disabled people to be able to work. This is not what is going to happen. You see this comment you are seeing. This is a man called Obama Pokwase. After watching this video, he wasn't able to say anything about it. But just to fish out that There was one disabled man among them. So he is surprised to see that disabled man among those people who are doing this illegal mining. And I used my social media platform to reply him and told him that he is very stupid. If the government was able to provide work for Ghanaians, we will not have disabled people to go and work. They will be in the position of the work that they can afford to do. But it is because of hardship and difficulties. Everybody wants to take care of themselves and their family. Enye kwasiasem. Yenua Bema Idris Yusuf. He says, stop using these people as your scapegoat. We are tired, oh. One day, the youth of this country will speak. Mark this somewhere. Yenua Idris Yusuf, you also say, as a kofu amakofo mu use some as a scapegoat. Because anya nkofo ne wose ye chimpelifo na ewu mu no ene wose ye chiro mu. Na debi Ghana from rantie ne mmabawa ebubofu na moma kentu baby ombe sori etia omanwe na esa to aso kwabna tufuo osi sadly guys like this at the bottom of the food chain will be the ones who will mostly likely face the music. How about the corrupt decision makers, shameless traditional leaders, lawless Chinese money men, and the dubious Indian guys who illicitly promote or buy the gold? Question will be sent you. I see there be answer me say ba. Omo mi ye yanfo no mu wom na ejuma no. Omo nyamfa so bia wo mu no. Omo an ye be yusu omo e de abotwene na wo say twene as a twene a wo amane mu no. Omo no mbe face saa. Nanso ayinfo atechire politicians atechire Chinese for any India for wo ma wo mu. Am ko to gold yi no. Na omo bom etutu gold yi sankofo omo nam hokwa. Someone also move facing the music of these troubles. And so there be and Tessa. Yena Brahma Francisca Ejewa. Or say people are still mining illegally in the Ashanti region. If you say I'm loud, you will go and kneel somewhere. Just say even though they are still illegal mining in the air course of Ashanti region. Oko kape wan hwe ya ye be frɛ o baby no akokoto apatwo ejewa brabe ka asem ni ye what dey say Abdul Karim Omar or see you carry all these poor ones just to create an impression you are working. Or say you will carry all these people, all these poor ones just to create an impression that you are working. Can any of these poor ones buy an excavator or champagne? These are just the manpower. If you arrest 1 million of them, the financiers will get another millions to employ. Funny, we are plugging leaves whilst the only way to kill the tree is to uproot it. Inti yenua ba media, who read ansem na watch na. Anu odim pa. They watching na ne say, yakwachi enyanfo we ni na, en ye create ade bi a kire Ghana for say, asemu bo adwuma. Na nso mu refi se we mu no e manpower po keke e no mu di ye omu adwuma na omu ye adwuma na omu di sika so ase no omu mu nkonkochi omu esan se edue tuo na ye betu ase no ye betu edua na ase no ye nam ne yakotiti edua ne wura ye refi se etiti wura ne keke e besa eden afifi Abdul Karim Omar we de wakanyansa sem pa or say Tadi Beniba GH. Or say this poor Ghanaian youth will be jailed and the big men who send them will be walking free. Just say one more. Omo poor Ghanaian youth omo kan die we mu no die. E be jeli omo. Now so esikafo no omo ta eche no omo de omo walking free. Yenua ba Hubeida Biganzo. Or say go for Aisha 1 and leave this innocent youth hustling to put food on the table alone. Allah is watching with keen interest. Yenu Aisha so che say yen go attack Aisha 1 mo ene na pound for mu no mu scan no mutan nyoma wechi. So ma for scan ten echi a anke yanfo enkota echi because we mu ni de o mbedi akoma no ene mo ye den. Wo mo ehwehwe. Ebusuafo na mu nua be mali mo elikem kwame amega aha ena medi mu be den ebesi as I am saying. This is the end of the show. I will still bring more. Whether it is a trending news, it's a political issue, it is an issue that needs to be tackled in the nation, we will come and give it to you in details and explain much further. What do you want to do? What do you sell? What is the business are you owning? Are you a CEO of a company? Do you want to advertise your product? Go nowhere further and contact Xposed. We will advertise your product for you, and we are telling you, you will get the business deal ever as you have been working. Ebusianfo na meka cho say enkofo bia mane mbo wadwuma ho deru ema Xposed say bra efa wadwuma ebra na ebe den ebebo deru ade ema o na me di dwumade ebra me di ni limo elkem kwame amega on all social media platform wait me ahwehwe me di the Africans na aha Xposed on all social media platform they did the Xposed. YouTube had here subscribe share no be so ye enye bi asende ye be say share bye bye.
Oniadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan e na wasie wie e na wo penchensen papa e de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo emmeso wo haw no ano emfa emaw enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na eni wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo aje womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda